Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can log in or sign into your OPay account without face verification. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. Now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your OPay app. In case you don't have the OPay app, you can go over to your Play Store or your App Store to download and install it. So after that, what you simply have to do is to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on it right away. You can see my OPay app is opening. So once your OPay app opens up, what you simply have to do now is to enter your 6-digit password. With the 6-digit password, you don't need to do any face verification. You can see where it is written enter 6-digit password. So what you have to do now is to enter it. So let me enter mine. Right there guys, you can see I've repeated the 6-digit password. So what I can simply do now is to tap on login. You can see it right there. So let me do that. You can see guys, it's loading. Wow guys, you can see now I've been logged into my OPay account. This is how you can simply sign in without any face verification, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye.